Hi, I'm Anna from BotsLovers, and today I'll be explaining how to use our platform to have a clearer view of how's the chatbot answering your customers' requests and how to tune it to your specific needs. In the Analytics tab, you can see your general statistics about the platform, also how the artificial intelligence is answering your clients' requests, and how are your agents behaving with your customers. Other stats are also available, like the languages used, the channels, the percentage handed to human agents, and the top requests. In this section, you can see the peak times of activity of the bots and the peak messaging hours with great detail. Here, you can see the number of sessions per hour that informs you of the time of the day when your bot is being used the most and the least. In this section, you will have the opportunity to fine-tune and customize different aspects of the platform to suit your business needs and preferences. You have tabs like Activity, Users, Frequently Asked Questions, Flow, Intedites, and WhatsApp notifications. Also Conversations, No Match, Dislike, Settings, and Users. Now I want to focus on FAQs tab, where you can add the most frequent questions your users have so the bot can answer them automatically. Here you can see all the menus that you can have in your bot's messages. Also, if you get in one, you'll see more questions related to it or the details of that single request. From the BotsLovers team, thank you for watching.